Alright, let's start this video off with a bang. The meteor.
This could go like that. And this could go like that, and then it's...
Launch 1.
Oh. That didn't...
Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to my new thing I'm trying here. I'm calling it my channel. I just want to show off some of the human body, more specifically, squishy. Touch here, so that's great. Squishy. You're, I'm worried about
Squishy inside.
That's no fun. I want to see. That's what I was promised in the back. We better see real digestion. Real digestion happen. Squishy. All right, so here's our guy. He's squishy. Just gonna stuff it in there. Oh, that didn't help. Also, yeah, no, probably not really a big deal or anything, but he's also missing his heart. Fell out. So that's probably it. We'll probably in there. Pizza. So we just gotta wait. You know, some people these days prefer to look up their information on the internet, but I, on the other hand, prefer the old-fashioned method, squishy.
In there.
Some things never get old. You bet I can!
Hi. World fact.
Squishy. Algeria has a population of 20,000. Sexton is a polyhedron that has 4 faces. Moon.
The of the moon is about 3,000 variation in frequency of any emitted wave, such as a wave of light. Heating effects because of friction become important.
The economy of Trinidad and Tobago is based on the production and refining of petroleum. In the landform consisting of a fissure in the Earth's crust above magnetic radiation, having a shorter wavelength than light, and the cone is formed by the deposition of molten or solid matter that flows or is ejected within itself.
Titman. Hey, what did you want me to look up again?
Huh? Oh, I already Googled it like 20 minutes ago.
Alright, bye.